Kaylee, why am I wearing Mickey Mouse ears?
So your hair doesn't get in your face when I put a bunch of glue on it?
But I'm in the Spirit Halloween store. I'm looking for plant matter, witch's hat, spirit gum, I think. I found the hats. I don't know why, but I love it. Wizard hat. Oh yeah. Wizard hat my butt. This is a witch's hat. Yes. Now I have to find plants. So we have gathered some supplies. I went to the spirit store and I bought green leaf boa. Kaylee brought her expertise. Spirit gum too, so that she can glue some horrifying items to my face. Take it off. Great!
I just want to preface that I have not done this look before. It comes out awful.
So what we're saying is, if it's awful, it's my fault? I wish you could hear how many times Kaylee tells me not to move while working on this look. Not to move and to stop talking. But we were kind of busy listening to crazy amounts of copyrighted music, so instead, I guess I should explain what we're doing. Last week, I created an ink painting with a little story behind it, The Unfortunate Herbologist. If you haven't seen the painting, or you just want to go see it again, I'll put it up here and in the description. Basically, a poor herbologist student stayed up late studying and accidentally slopped some plant potion or fantastical fertilizer or something into her tea. Now she's got plants sprouting from inside out of her. Now the talented Kaylee is going to bring it all to life on my face. I knew I needed Kaylee's help on this. 1, because she's a crazy talented makeup artist, and 2, she loves special effects. Perfect for the job. I have to tell you how freaking amazing it was to work with a friend. Every time I see an artist at work, I'm always fascinated. But I've never been the canvas before, not including face painting when I was little. You get to see artists completely absorbed in their art, and this time, it was my friend, absorbed in my face. But it was super cool to become a project that would have been much easier to work with if it would just stop giggling. Something I was totally unprepared for when thinking up a makeup look. The one thing all those awesome special effects shows and behind the scenes videos can't tell you. Everything smells. Like not a terrible bad kind of smell, but like a nostril hair burning alcohol kind of smell. Mainly from the alcohol paints. I do like the way I look with plants just coming out my face, but as soon as Kaylee started painting, it turned that spooky corner. Alcohol activated paints and some good smears of scab blood made the harmless leaves look like they tore their way out of my skin. Gruesome, but still kind of cute. My actual favorite. I'm still freaking out about how great it looks. For illustrated accuracy, I also asked Kaylee if she could give me some freckles and dark circles under my eyes. I'm obsessed with these freckles, by the way. I want them all the time, every day. Finally, I attempted to put my hair up in pigtails, donned my witch's hat and scarf, and The Unfortunate Herbologist brought to life. Happy Halloween. Look at how great! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wait, I brought the illustration.
I really like how that drawing turned out, by the way.
Thanks! I really like how the actual makeup came out.
Thanks!
It's great!
I think the nose is my favorite part.
The nose is pretty amazing. I'm not sure if you can fully appreciate how great that is. And she gave me freckles and black eyes. Oh my god, it's so good. Kaylee, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's beautiful. I think this is an amazing recreation. I love it so much. Thank you. Can we see your hands?
They're not too bad. It's my arm that's worse.
Oh god.
Now the fun part's gonna be taking it off.
Woo!
Do your nose. Do it
It feels so strange.
fast like a bandit.
I'm so... Ah! That was scary.
Was it?
A little bit. We're gonna spend the next 10 minutes ripping these off my face. Are you excited?
Very excited.
If you liked this, give me a like. Subscribe if you want. I love you so much. I will talk to you later. Bye. Do it.